Hi, I'm making this video because we thought it was not possible to pre-assign breakout groups on Zoom, and you had to create them during the meeting, which takes forever and would be impossible to do every single day with your students. But we thought that because when you schedule a meeting in Synergy, it doesn't necessarily show up in your Zoom unless you're logged in with SSO. So I tested it out. I created a Zoom meeting in Synergy, and it does show up when I log into the Zoom app. It shows up because I've logged in with the SSO. If you don't know what I mean, just open the Zoom app and click login with SSO. So you can edit here, and you would think that this would be where the breakout room pre-assigned would be, but it's not. But when logging in, I saw that, I'll just open a new one. I saw that there are more settings on the browser version of Zoom. So if you go to ccboe.com/ nope, that is how you spell it, .zoom.us, ccboe.zoom.us. I think I said something different the first time. And then click sign in. There's a bunch of settings here, so you can see what the district has enabled or disabled, just so you're aware if you want to, if you care about stuff like that. And then there's a few settings that you can change yourself if you care. But if you go to meetings, you see your upcoming meetings, and I'm thinking that our classes will appear here when they're scheduled, and so you can edit that meeting. And scroll down to meeting options, and it says breakout room pre-assign. So if you check that box, I don't know, it does that every time. It scrolls back up. You can create the rooms, and it looks similar to how you would do it in Zoom. You have to type them in. What I would do if I were, using groups every day is import from CSV, because that's similar to an Excel file. And they have a template that you can download. So you could just save it by period. It says room 1, room 1, room 2, room 2. So I would put in, like if I had the unicorn group, I would put in student 1 at ccboe.com. And I think it's their ID number at ccboe.com. But you'd only have to do this once, hopefully, and then you could drag them around to change groups. Maybe there's a smarter way to do that. I haven't thought of anything yet. And then you'd put the next student. Now, at first I thought you put them all in a row for that group, but I think they each need their own individual row. And then I would save this, period 1, and upload it here for my breakout rooms. And that's it. I just thought I'd make this because I know the people at Central have lots to do already, and everybody else has lots to do. So there you go.